Hello everyone, this is Kimmy Kim and welcome to my channel. Today is the announcement for my giveaway. I had a hidden giveaway for my unboxing for Your Creative Studio. It was the month of April 2022 and I had a few people that guessed it. It was if you could guess how many stamps were in the box. And the answer is, let's take a look. There's a shell and a seahorse. And let me get this open. There's two more. There's another shell and a lighthouse. And y'all got all the answers correct. Let me just lay these out. And they were great. And I already wrote them out, the names, but I thought I'd go over them so y'all could see that your names went in the pot here. Candace Montezuma. Let's see here. Inked Pulp. And I want to thank y'all for watching and leaving a comment. Y'all watch me faithfully and I really appreciate comments and thumbs up. Cynthia Perez. Morning Flower. Robin McGargle. Let's see, Marcella Mariska, I believe is the last name. And LYLO Crafts. Thank y'all so much for watching and for guessing. This lid does not stay on very well. I'm a little disappointed about that. I'm just going to shake it up a little bit. Ooh, if I don't break my little bowl, right? All right. Let's see, we've got Inked Pulp. Congratulations, sweetie. So I wrote down that, I wrote on one of these, the giveaway. So honey, you'll get the shell and the lighthouse. So just contact me on either Instagram or my email down below. Actually, Instagram is better. I get it right away, but my email's down below as well. Just contact me with your mailing information, which Inked Pulp, I think I already have your address, honey, but go ahead and send it to me anyway. So I have that, I can confirm that, and that I know that you saw this. Try to get back to me as soon as possible so I can get this out before Monday. I'm leaving for 3 weeks in May, and if I don't hear from you before I leave, unfortunately, it'll have to wait till I return. So, I'm trying to think, unless I can bring this with me, I don't know. Probably have to wait till I return. So, congratulations. Thank you all for participating. It's so much fun, and I love doing hidden giveaways. It's always such a nice surprise, and it's always a delight to see who watches my videos. Thanks, friends, and be kind to one another and be safe.